Create a black text on a white background. Place your text in the center of the canvas and add a guideline. Select the text layer and the background layer and merge them. Unlock the layer. Select the rectangular marquee tool. And select half of the canvas. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus J to cut out the selected area in a new layer. Create a gradient map layer. Change the colors of the gradient. Clip the gradient map layer to the layer below it. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the gradient map layer, and place this layer above the layer with the other half of the text. Clip the gradient map layer. And select Reverse. And that's how you create this split color text.